Hello, welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm going to go through this tool set. It is a lovely piece of example, I'll be honest. I've never really fell in love with tool sets so much as this one, only because it's a 100-piece tool set. It comes with most of the heads that you could ask for or dream of. It really depends on pricing. So pricing is number one key for not only me but for everybody. This was roughly $24.99 at Aldi. So the reason I'm sharing it with you all is because I've had many tool sets, but this one just like caught my eye, and it's such a lovely kit, handy. It came in a lovely box, but irrelevant of the box anyway, but it's just the fact that it comes with all these. I mean, let's just go through it. Oh dear me. Right, so I love the fact that these work like a tray. It's like a tray type. You've got all these heads, which I'm not going to bore you on, but there you are. And in terms of the these you've got, and also I love the fact that the end does spin, so it's not going to burn the inside of your palm, which is good news. You've got these here as well, which you can stick on. There's all sorts of size. I'm not going to kind of teach you all of what it is. Someone's got so much falling. But there, most of the heads, guys, as you can see. Let's pop it on its back. There you are, as you can see. So it is pretty nice. Oh, there you go. That, it's like torque wrench stuff. So all goes well there. Let's tidy up. But yeah, it's $24.99 at Aldi, guys. That's where I got it from. And the reason I'm sharing it is because, I'll be honest, the same tool set elsewhere, it's about good like 80, 100, 200 pounds. I mean, this same one is very rare to grab hold of, so it's limited. It's a Workzone 100-piece. But there you are, guys.